Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys oppo mobile guys call setting, and today video title guys how to unblock contact number in oppo mobile. Friends, we want to unblock contact number in oppo mobile. How to unblock number and how to remove number from block list, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone call setting. After on phone call setting friends, click here contact setting. After on contact setting friends, click here two dots setting. After on setting friends, you can see this type interface on your oppo mobile. So friends so friends, back here and friends click your phone, and friends click here two dots black setting block setting. Friends click here two dots set rule setting. Friends click here block list. Click here guys which number guys you want to unblock guys, select a number. Friends, you can say remove guys, click here and this number will remove from your block list. Friends, come back. Friends, you can see guys number will unblock, and friends again you can use this number on your device. Friends, click your phone contact, and friends I will enter and this number recently guys I unblocked. So like that friends, you can unblock contact number on your oppo phone device. And friends, you want to save this number on your favorite list, so guys click here star option, and guys you can save number in favorite list. And friends, if you click two dots, so friends you can edit this number, you can share this number. Friends, you can say add to vip contact, add to block list, and delete. So friends, you want to edit number, so friends click here edit number, and friends you can edit this number. You want to save photo in this number, so you can say photo, you can change a number. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to unblock contact number. So bye friends, thanks for watching.